Greetings, fellow foolish mortal, and Merry Christmas from the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the Barn of Terror in Bloomington, Indiana. We're here for their Krampus event, and Krampus has taken the light from the haunted house. Armed with one little flashlight, we have to navigate through the entire haunt. There's gonna be classic movie monsters, there's some Nightmare Before Christmas characters, and not all of them are okay with us leaving. Can we survive? Only one way to find out, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get some scares.
Krampus killed the light, and all I have is this flashlight, which is not controlled by me. I don't know, guys. Oh no. I feel like somebody's staring at me. Shoot, shoot. There's missing posters, Tyler.
Cabin here.
Oh. You know, there's just a mass. Oh, maybe more than one.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
What the heck?
Oh, hi.
Yeah, we're gonna pass on Krampus getting us. Oh god. Oh my.
Oh, that's ew. I just saw it. We have limited light and there's freaking spiders.
Oh, they're stuck in us.
Nope, there's no people. Yeah. You don't see any people? Oh my god, you guys, it's dark. Oh, I hear something.
Oh, it's real dark.
It is real dark. Oh, and there's more spider webs.
Way.
That way? I don't know if I should trust the killer. Do we trust the killer? Do we follow the killer?
Sure.
There's something behind you.
Oh, there's more killers. Oh god.
Oh god, Jesus. Man, that killer there is gonna get me. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. I don't trust you. No. Oh, that's a horned pumpkin. Great, Crystal Lake. I hear you. Where are you? Oh, I think so.
Are you doing good?
Yeah, sure. Always. I'll go ahead and tell you I am.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
You must go forward.
Oh. Okay.
We shall. Go forthward.
The light is working. Oh, that's not good.
Must
we
be
look
in
good.
the asylum.
Yep. I was nice, but I think I'm naughty now. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. I don't trust you to find it out. Uh-oh. Dead inside. Do we open the door?
We have to open the door.
Oh god! I don't know if I want to open the door.
Welcome to the graveyard.
Graveyard. Oh, we're not gonna be buried here, right?
I don't know.
Oh shoot. Well, it's pretty in here. Pretty scary. I don't know about it. Oh, who am I looking for?
You?
I don't know. Oh, Jesus, I didn't even see them there.
Nope.
Oh my god. Oh. We don't need to be followed. Just saying. Oh god, there's things in here I don't like. No. Quit it. Oh, they're following you.
Oh, they're following us.
Oh, holy cow. Oh my god, don't trust them.
Nope.
Don't trust the walls, don't trust the ceilings, don't trust anything. Oh no! Oh god! Tyler, help!
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my.
Oh, there's giant tentacles.
Unleashed the Kraken.
What is that? Oh god, that's Jack. Merry Christmas. Mary, I peed my pants, miss.
The Pumpkin King himself. Oh, there's Zero.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh,
Okay, this way.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Oh, this don't look right.
Uh-oh. The tables have turned.
Are you lost?
Oh my.
I'm always lost.
Definitely lost.
Right this way.
Oh,
Easy
thanks,
to get
Jack.
turned around in this place.
What is in this hallway? There's something. You're touching me. Oh my goodness. That is really cool. Oh god. Okay. Oh no.
Oh
no.
my.
Ooh.
He's still back here. Oh god.
Oh, Tyler, something's happening. I don't like it.
Something's behind us.
I don't like
Oh,
it.
God.
I don't like it.
You see him back there?
No.
I
I don't see nothing
oh,
back
god.
there. There's the Grinch.
Oh god. It's the Grinch.
It's the Grinch.
Oh god.
It's behind me. Oh my goodness.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh,
It's
there
still
he is.
the
He's
Grinch.
coming back.
The Grinch. The light
Oh,
matches
my.
you. Oh, oogie
And
boogie.
the Oogie Boogie.
Oh god.
He
You.
got the light.
Oh, I don't trust any of you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, he took off with the light. That's our only light source.
But they just took it.
They took our light source. Jack Skellington said my pee stunk.
All right, well, that was the Barn of Terror for their special Krampus event. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If you enjoyed this one, you're really gonna wanna see Unreal Nightmares. It's actually a really intense haunt escape room hybrid right here in Indiana. I'll see you at that haunt. Until then, stay scary.